Welcome to Sunlee's Kitchen. Today, we go back to your childhood with Chè Chuối, or banana tapioca pudding. Chè Chuối is so easy to make. You only need ripe bananas, cassava, steamed coconut milk, Sunlee's Buddha coconut cream blue label, Sunlee's Buddha tapioca pearl, and a little bit of sweet potato pearls to make this dish more colorful and add some crispiness. First of all, cut the bananas and cassava into small pieces. After that, soak the tapioca pearls and sweet potato pearls in water for 20 minutes, which will make them chewier. Mix the banana with a little salt for a better flavor. Remember to toss it. Do not use a spoon. You can use Sunlee Buddha coconut cream blue label in this recipe. The coconut cream blue label is greasier and a little sweeter than the red label. However, you can choose either of them depending on your taste buds. After marinating the bananas for 30 minutes in salt, bring the banana to a boil. When it's well cooked, add the coconut cream. Then, add in the cassava, tapioca pearls, and the sweet potato pearls. You're going to cook this mixture for about 5 to 10 minutes. Sunlee's creamy sweet coconut milk, the fruity scent of bananas, and slightly chewy tapioca pearls creates a wonderfully tasty dish. Our Chè Chuối is done perfectly. It smells so good. Enjoy it with your family. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.